Guys, good afternoon. At this time, I'm here in Ocean Portofino. Here in sa Tahip ba to? Ayan, magdi-deliver ako ng food kasi may order. Yung mga Pilipinong Marino. Marino, tama ba? Yeah, they have order food in Chukdi. Yes, I deliver the food for their dinner. Yeah, but it's too early. Yeah, because they asked for deliver at least 4:30 in the afternoon because they eat 6 o'clock. Yes, ayan. Yate. Lots of yachts. It's just too far. But I'm sorry guys, I cannot make video inside because it's too private. The inside the yacht, big yacht. The yacht is one of the biggest yacht here in Ocean Portofino. The yacht parking lot. Parking lot. Ayan. Ito pa yung mga building sa kapila. Ang laki oh. Layo pa. Wait, delivery gay po ako. Delivery back na siya ako ng araw na to for the day. Yes. Actually, I'm supposed to be delivered this morning but I refused. Wow, arte. O, diba? Free, not free delivery. If you ordered food, any kind of food, Philippine food in Chukdi, have 60 baht delivery. 60, I think 60 or 100. 100 is too far. Yeah. But if you just go somewhere in Thailand, 60 something. Yung araw trick sa kagandahan ko. Ganda oh. Magkakaroon ako ng isang yate. Pagputin na uwak pag ng tagak. Ang layo-layo ko pa kasi pinaka-dolo sila sa very dolo end of the parking lot. Parking lot. Yeah, there. You know, yung black and white na malaki. Nakita kasi yun. Okay. You know. Ayan si Kuya, isa sa mga may-ari ng yate. Charot. Yeah. Isa sa mga marino pa tawag doon. Yan, oo. Yan si Kuya. Isa sa mga poging marino rito. Di ba? Oh, mukhang yamin naman si Kuya, oh. Pogi, oh. Ayan yung kanilang yate. Yan, isa sa kanilang yate. Dito sa Pattaya. Kita nyo yan, guys. Ganda mo lang video. Uwi na ako, na-deliver ko ng food nila. It's time for me to go home, right? To go back in Chukdi. Yung araw. See you again. See you when you see me. Bye. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe and like and share. Wow, vlogger. Vlog-bag. Again, this is your friendly vlogger. Vlogger daw. Angel Angelo. Raymundo Mabasa Jr. Thank you guys. Love you all. God bless us. Ayan guys, malapit na ako sa parking lot ng aking motor. Thank you guys again. Sana po suportahan niyo po kaming mga vlogger. Lalo na po ako, bago lang po ako. Pero talaga ko lang nag-vlog. Wala lang likes. Likes niyo po ako, suportahan niyo po ako. Please, malaking tulong po itong subscribe and likes and share. Thank you po. I love you all. God bless us. Mwah.